Hi, this is Shahir Kabir from KlinKode. Today I will show you how you can add a download all images button in the Shopify product pages. If you see my screen, let's go inside a product, maybe the Sono beer one. And here you see there is two images for this product. We will try to add a button under the product description. Okay, so to do that we need to go inside your Shopify admin and access the edit code section. Edit code, and for now let's remove this. Okay, so to do that we are going to follow a blog tutorial from our website. I will add the link of this blog tutorial in the down description section, so you can get the code from there. So basically we need to open the main product.liquid file, then which is under sections folder, and then add this code where we want to add the button. Then there should be a main product section, this one, and now we'll find out where is the description is being printed. So this is the price, inventory, yes, this one, this is the description. So maybe under the end we can add here and save. Let's see if we can see the button now. Yeah, the button is here. Okay, we are good. Then let's add some styling. And we will add the styling in the base.css file. It's good practice to add all your custom CSS at the very bottom of your CSS file. So we add here, then save, and refresh. Yes, so now we can see the download all images here. Right now it will do nothing. If we click on it, it will not download the images because we did not add the JavaScript yet. So to make the button working, let's copy this JavaScript and add the code in the same main product liquid file. So let's go here and we'll try to add at the bottom, maybe here. Yes, and save it. Now refresh and download. Yeah, it started downloading, and another for the second image as well. So it depends basically on the browser's behavior. Different browser will behave differently for the multiple files download. So you might have a pop-up or something that will ask you if you allow multiple downloads. If you allow that, then the image downloads will work fine. Thank you.